Take a look at this 2005 Chevrolet SSR. This SSR has just under 35,500 miles. For your protection, a service contract is available. This vehicle gets 15 miles per gallon in the city, and 19 on the highway. This SSR boasts a 6.0-liter engine, and has a 6-speed manual transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the wheels, front 19 inches x 8, 40.6 cm x 17.8 cm, rear 20 x 10, 50.8 cm x 25.4 cm, 14P, chrome-plated, requires 1SP Preferred Equipment Group, Preferred Equipment Group Driver Convenience Package Regular Production Accessory, Customized Floor Mats Regular Production Accessory, Integrated Running Boards Mirror, Inside Rear View, Auto-Dimming Regular Production Accessory, Soft Side Saddle Storage Regular Production Accessory, Auxiliary Gauge Package with Satin Chrome Appearance, and the transmission, 6-speed manual, Tremec, includes differential, Eaton, limited slip. 9.5 inches rear. Call 813-315-9826 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.